Hi, and welcome to HRM 140, Chapter 3. Chapter 3 is about the law of torts and negligence. And the competencies for this chapter involve getting a good understanding of the difference between a tort, which is a civil wrong, and a crime, defining the tort of negligence and the four elements necessary to bring an action in negligence, the concept of res ipsa loquitur, the concept of contributory and comparative negligence and the difference between the two. Now, rather than take you through a long and boring lecture on these topics, what I've done is provide you with a series of shorter videos under your additional materials. So as you scroll down in your presentations and additional materials folder, you'll see a tort law overview, three main areas of tort, introduction to negligence, comparative negligence, and contributory negligence. And again, all of those topics, all of those competencies that we need to cover for a good understanding of this chapter's topics are included in those videos. So, as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me, and I hope you have a great day.